Welcome, dear friends, to the heart of the Sierra Nevada mountains, where crystal clear waters meet towering peaks. Welcome to Convict Lake. Nestled amidst the majesty of nature, this awe-inspiring water body is more than just a sight to behold. It's a testament to the transformative power of nature, a jewel in the crown of the Sierra Nevada range. Here, the whispering winds carry tales of the past, of the people who found solace in its tranquility, and of the wildlife that thrives in its nurturing embrace. This is a place where every sunrise paints a unique masterpiece on the canvas of the azure sky, and every sunset immerses the landscape in a warm, golden glow. As we journey through this land, we'll discover the rich tapestry of life that unfolds in every nook and cranny. A place of serene beauty, Convict Lake invites us to dive into its rich history and natural splendor. The tranquility of Convict Lake belies its thrilling past, a tale of 19th century prison escapees that gave the lake its name. This story begins in the late 19th century, when a group of convicts broke free from a Nevada prison. They fled into the Sierra Nevada mountains, seeking refuge in the vast wilderness. The convicts, now escapees, found themselves by a crystal-clear body of water, surrounded by towering mountains. This serene location would soon bear witness to a series of dramatic events that would etch its name in the annals of history. A posse, led by a determined sheriff, tracked the convicts to this remote lake. A fierce confrontation ensued, resulting in the loss of several lives, including that of the sheriff himself. The lake, once known by another name, was henceforth christened Convict Lake in honor of this gripping episode. This historical event not only gave the lake its name, but also shaped the character of the area. The rugged terrain that once provided a hideout for desperate convicts now attracts nature lovers and adventure seekers from all around the world. Convict Lake's history is a fascinating blend of Wild West legends and stunning natural beauty. It's a reminder that even the most tranquil landscapes can have a tumultuous past, adding depth and intrigue to their allure. This riveting tale of escape and pursuit is etched into the very name of Convict Lake, adding a layer of intrigue to its serene beauty. Now, we embark on a journey around Convict Lake following the winding path of its scenic loop trail. The Convict Lake Loop Trail is an adventurer's paradise. Stretching 3 miles around the lake's perimeter, it's a symphony of nature's best, offering a glimpse into the tranquil beauty of the Sierra Nevada. A walk around the trail is like stepping into a painting, where the brushstrokes of Mother Nature come alive. The trail kicks off at the lake's marina, a bustling point where explorers gather, ready to set off on their adventure. As we venture deeper, the concrete path gives way to a natural dirt trail, inviting us to an intimate dance with nature. The loop trail is a magical maze of contrast. On one side, we have the crystal-clear waters of Convict Lake, shimmering under the sunlight, reflecting the surrounding mountain ranges. On the other, the towering peaks of the Sierra Nevada, standing tall and proud, their granite faces adorned with blankets of pine and aspen trees. It's a sight that leaves one in awe of the raw beauty of this landscape. As we follow the trail, we're introduced to the rich tapestry of flora that calls Convict Lake home. From the vibrant wildflowers that dot the trail in spring to the golden hues of aspen leaves in autumn, every season brings a fresh palette of colors to the trail. But the trail is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a haven for nature enthusiasts. The air is filled with the symphony of bird songs, from the chirping of the mountain chickadees to the melodic tunes of the western meadowlarks. If you're lucky, you might even spot a mule deer grazing in the meadows or a bobcat stealthily prowling in the underbrush. Local guides often share tales of the trail, from the best spots to catch a sunrise to the hidden corners where you can find the rarest wildflowers. They speak of the trail as an old friend, one who reveals different facets of its beauty with each visit. Hikers who have traversed the trail echo these sentiments. They speak of the tranquility that envelops you as you walk the path, of the sense of serenity that comes from being one with nature. They talk about the feeling of accomplishment that comes from completing the loop, of standing at the edge of the lake, looking out at the path they've traversed, the mountains they've admired, and knowing they've been a part of something beautiful. The loop trail adventure is not just about the journey, but also about the memories you make along the way. It's about the moments of quiet reflection by the lakeside, the thrill of spotting a rare bird, the joy of discovering a new trail, the camaraderie shared with fellow hikers. The Loop Trail, with its breathtaking views and intriguing wildlife, is a journey that imprints itself on the heart of every explorer. Convict Lake is a thriving ecosystem, home to diverse wildlife that adds to its allure. Nestled in the heart of the Sierra Nevada, this serene lake is a sanctuary for an array of creatures, each playing a unique role in this vibrant ecological tapestry. The clear, tranquil waters of Convict Lake teem with a variety of fish species. Rainbow and brown trout dart beneath the surface, their scales glittering in the sunlight that filters through the crystal-clear water. These fish not only offer a thrill for anglers but also serve as a crucial food source for many local birds. And speaking of birds, the area is a haven for birdwatchers. The melodious calls of mountain bluebirds, red-tailed hawks, and American dippers echo through the air, adding an enchanting soundtrack to the lake's scenic vistas. These avian residents soar against the backdrop of the majestic Sierra Nevada, their graceful flight a mesmerizing spectacle. The lake's shores and surrounding woodland are equally alive with activity. Mule deer can often be spotted grazing in the early morning, their delicate movements a dance of survival in the wild. In the underbrush, the rustle of leaves might signal the presence of a Sierra Nevada red fox or a bobcat, elusive yet essential members of this ecological community. But it's not just the fauna that contributes to Convict Lake's natural beauty. The flora here is just as captivating. Towering pine trees fringe the lake, their needle-covered branches whispering stories of the wind. Wildflowers splash color across the landscape, their delicate blooms a testament to the resilience of nature. As we delve deeper into this wilderness, we discover the intricate web of life that thrives here. From the smallest insect to the largest predator, each creature contributes to the balance and harmony of this ecosystem. The harmonious interplay of wildlife and landscape at Convict Lake is a testament to nature's exquisite design. It's a living, breathing masterpiece that continues to evolve, yet remains timeless in its beauty. Here, nature is not just a backdrop, but a dynamic character in its own right, inviting us to pause, observe, and appreciate the complex symphony of life playing out before our eyes. Nestled on the shores of Convict Lake, the Convict Lake Resort offers a tranquil retreat amidst the natural splendor. This oasis in the Sierra Nevada mountains provides a unique blend of comfort and adventure, offering its guests an immersive experience of the wilderness. The resort boasts a variety of accommodations, catering to everyone from solo travelers to large families. Guests can choose from charming mountain cabins, each exuding a rustic elegance that complements the surrounding landscape. The cabins are tastefully furnished, with cozy interiors and modern amenities, designed to make you feel at home while being away from the hustle and bustle of city life. But the allure of Convict Lake Resort extends beyond its cozy accommodations. The culinary experience here is equally enticing. The resort's restaurant, aptly named The Restaurant at Convict Lake, is renowned for its exceptional cuisine. The menu is a delightful fusion of classic and contemporary dishes, all prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Whether you're a fan of juicy steaks or fresh trout, the culinary offerings here are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Beyond dining and accommodations, the resort offers a plethora of recreational activities for its guests. From horseback riding and fishing to hiking and bird watching, there's something for everyone. And if you're here in winter, don't miss the chance to experience the thrill of snowshoeing or cross-country skiing. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what guests have to say. Here's Jane, a recent guest. The Convict Lake Resort was the perfect getaway. The cabin was comfortable and the views were breathtaking. We loved dining at the restaurant. The food was fantastic. We can't wait to come back. And that's not all. The resort staff are always on hand to ensure you have a memorable stay. Their warm hospitality, coupled with their knowledge of the area, adds an extra layer of comfort and convenience to your visit. The Convict Lake Resort, where comfort meets nature, is an ideal base to explore and appreciate the beauty of Convict Lake. It's not just a place to stay, but a destination in itself, offering a unique blend of tranquility and adventure that will leave you longing for more. Convict Lake beckons visitors with a plethora of recreational activities, each offering a unique way to engage with its natural beauty. Imagine yourself casting a line into the crystal-clear waters, waiting for the tug of a rainbow trout. Feel the gentle rock of a boat beneath you as you paddle out onto the lake, the surrounding mountains reflected in the mirror-like surface. Or perhaps you're more inclined to capture the moment through a lens, with every sunrise and sunset providing a new masterpiece to frame. The lake's serene environment is a haven for nature photography, with the changing seasons offering a diverse palette of colors. Vibrant wildflowers in spring, lush greenery in summer, fiery hues in autumn, and a tranquil white blanket in winter. Whether it's casting a line, rowing a boat, or capturing a sunset, Convict Lake offers a myriad of ways to make lasting memories. Opening. As we conclude our journey, let's bask in the mesmerizing spectacle of a day's cycle at Convict Lake. As the sun crests the horizon and the first rays of dawn spill over the rugged peaks of the Sierra Nevada, the day at Convict Lake begins. It's a moment of profound tranquility. The lake, still and glass-like, reflects the pastel hues of the morning sky, rippling gently as a soft breeze stirs the water's surface. The serenity here is almost tangible, a testament to the untouched beauty of nature that has been preserved in this corner of the world. As the morning progresses, the lake begins to stir. The warm sunlight causes the surface of the water to shimmer and sparkle, as if sprinkled with diamond dust. The air fills with the gentle rustling of leaves, the twittering of birds waking up to the new day, and the soft lapping of the water against the rocky shoreline. This is the time when the lake truly comes alive, revealing its vibrant hues and teeming with life. As we move further into the day, the sun climbs higher, casting a golden glow over the lake and the surrounding mountains. The grandeur of the Sierra Nevada, with its towering peaks and verdant forests, is beautifully reflected in the clear, mirror-like surface of the lake. As the sunlight intensifies, the lake's color deepens, transforming from a soft azure to a brilliant turquoise, a sight that never fails to take one's breath away. As midday approaches, the lake becomes a hub of activity. Boats dot the water, their occupants casting lines in hopes of catching the lake's abundant trout. The laughter and chatter of families and friends echo across the water, adding a lively soundtrack to the breathtaking visuals. The lake, now a vibrant blue, reflects the bright, cloudless sky, its surface dotted with the silhouettes of birds gliding gracefully overhead. As the afternoon wears on, the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows over the landscape. The lake, now a deeper shade of blue, mirrors the changing colors of the sky. The air cools, and the activity around the lake starts to wind down. It's a peaceful time, a moment to sit back and take in the majesty of the scenery, to appreciate the beauty that is Convict Lake. As we move into the evening, the sun dips lower and the sky begins to transform. The blue of the day gives way to stunning hues of orange, pink, and purple. The setting sun casts a warm golden light over the lake, painting the landscape with a palette of colors that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The lake, now a mirror for the spectacular sunset, reflects the vibrant colors of the sky, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty. As night falls, the lake undergoes yet another transformation. The vibrant colors of the sunset give way to a deep, sapphire blue, reflecting the twinkling stars overhead. The tranquility of the night, punctuated only by the occasional hoot of an owl or the rustle of nocturnal creatures, is a perfect end to the day. The lake, now a mirror of the night sky, is a testament to the majesty of nature and the enchanting beauty of Convict Lake. As we've journeyed through a day at Convict Lake, we've witnessed the remarkable transformations that occur from dawn to dusk, the changing colors, the evolving mood, the rhythms of life that play out on its shores. All these elements come together to create a symphony of nature's finest melodies. Closing. From the first light of dawn to the final hues of dusk, a day at Convict Lake is a symphony of nature's finest melodies.